Hey guys, so thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be making overnight oats, but not just any old overnight oats, a really awesome combo. Chocolate, which is everyone's favorite, and then chai, chocolate chai spiced overnight oats. And yes, it is as good as it sounds. So let's get straight into it and I'll show you just how easy it is to do. It's also a really wonderful snack. It could be a after dinner snack as well. And then of course, a wonderful breakfast. So we've got a cute little coconut bowl here that we're going to set it all into. We've got some oats. Try and get organic if you can, just because obviously the way that it's grown with no pesticides and chemicals. Okay, then we're going to put some cacao in. I like this much better than cocoa because it's less processed and it gives a really chocolatey flavour. So that goes in. We have some coconut milk. You can use any milk you like though. Vanilla powder or vanilla essence is also another really wonderful addition to it. If you don't have it, just leave it out, but I just love vanilla. And then we're going to add our spices. So we do have quite a few spices here. If you want to go and get your own chai blend, you absolutely can. Otherwise, you can do it from scratch. So this has ginger, nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, and cloves. Quite a lot there. Tip it in, and then just mix it all together. The cacao sometimes is really hard to mix in, but if you just persist, you get there in the end. It already smells absolutely incredible. If you take this into work for like a little lunchy snack, you will be the envy of everyone there, no doubt. It doesn't really need the entire night to set because, you know, oats just need to soak in a little bit, but it makes your prep a lot easier. So there we go, we have mixed that in nicely and then simply chuck it in the fridge and in the morning grab it out and start adding your little special items on, which I will grab one we did yesterday in a second. Okay, here's one I prepared earlier in an ugly glass. Of course, you can keep it in the glass. It doesn't have to be special, but I'm specialing it up for you guys. So I have another coconut bowl and I'm just going to pop it straight in. Now, if you find that you look at your overnight oats in the morning and it is too dry, simply just add some extra milk, all right? That's all it needs. So I'm going to pop it in. Okay, so yum. Then your toppings. It's really up to you what you prefer to put on your toppings, for your toppings to make it extra special. Here I have some pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds. We'll just pop them in. And I also have some hemp seeds. Now I love hemp seeds because hemp seeds are packed full of protein, so they're gonna keep me full for longer. Keep yourself full. Okay, and then I'm gonna pop a banana on because banana, it is one of my favorite fruits. They're going everywhere. Okay, that should be enough. And then just place them on. And that is your chocolate chai overnight oats. They are so yummy, you will love them. They're even great for parties, you can put them in tiny little servings. Hope you enjoy it. If you try it, let me know in the comments below.